Today we're going to learn about measures of regression and prediction intervals. There's some heavy-duty math going on today, so I highly suggest that you take notes and that you have your table 5 out from the book. In section 9.1 you have a PDF of table 5, and also I would have Microsoft Excel open so you could do the Excel along with me. All of this will enable you to do the homework, the classwork successfully. All right, so let's get started. All right, our learning targets are: I will know how to interpret the 3 types of variation about a regression line. I will know how to find and interpret the coefficient of determination. I will know how to find and interpret the standard error of the estimate for a regression line. And I will know how to construct and interpret a predicted interval for y. All right, there's 3 types of variation about a regression line. There's total variation, which is made up of explained variation and unexplained variation. To find total variation, you first calculate total deviation, the explained deviation, and the unexplained deviation. Total deviation is the y value of your data point minus the average y. The explained deviation is y cap. Now, y cap comes from your calculated y value from your line of regression that you have calculated using Excel or a TI calculator, minus your y average. And your unexpected deviation is your individual y value minus your y cap. Now, this is y cap, the little hat that's been cut off a little bit, and this is y bar. Y bar is the average of y's. You got to keep them straight. Total variation: the sum of the squares of the differences between the y value of each ordered pair and the mean y. It's total variation. Explained variation is the sum of the squares of the y cap minus y bar. And the unexplained variation is the sum of y minus y cap squared. So total variation is the sum of the explained variation plus the unexplained. Coefficient of determination: the ratio of the explained variation to the total variation. So r squared, which is the coefficient of determination, is explained variation to total.